In this lesson, we're going to download and install VirtualBox. Now I'm doing this on a MacBook Pro, but if you're using a Windows machine, it's going to be quite similar. Now first what you need to do is open up your web browser. I happen to use Google Chrome. And you're going to go to virtualbox.org. Once you get to VirtualBox, you're going to click on the download VirtualBox 5.1 and then select the operating system you have. If you're Windows, click Windows. I'm going to be using OS X, which is for Macintosh. And you'll notice it's going to start downloading. Now, once it's finished downloading, you're going to open it up from your Downloads folder. And I'm going to close my web browser so you can see easier. Now that the disk image is mounted, we're going to open up the virtualbox.pkg file, which is the installer file. Just do that by double-clicking it. If you're using Windows, you'll be double-clicking on your install or setup file. And then you'll run through the wizard. So in my case, I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to hit continue to go to the next screen. You can customize your installation if you wish. I like to leave my command line utilities installed as well, and then hit install. You'll be asked for your username or your administrator account. And then click Install Software. And it takes just about a minute for it to go through writing the files to your hard drive and installing it into your Applications folder on Mac, or in Windows, your program files. And that's it. At that point, you can close the installer, move the installer to the trash, and at that point, it is installed. And if you go into your Applications folder, you will see VirtualBox is there. Again, on Windows, you'll do this through your program files.